Hi everybody, it's Sylvester again and welcome to another episode of Let's Cook. And today in the kitchen we're making, it's all Italian, making homemade pasta from scratch using flour, egg, salt, olive oil, using traditional water of course. And guess what? We're using our machine. So this is our pasta machine. We will make the fettuccine and also we're making the normal spaghetti, and then we hang it all through here so it dries. So homemade pasta, which will go with our homemade tomato sauce and which will be filled with our homemade Italian meatballs. Italiano, it's time to be authentic and eat like Italian and be happy. So stay tuned. We are going to do a little trick with this today. Half of the double O flour followed by semolina. So we'll do a mixture of both flours to make spaghetti and fettuccine. Ok, grazie, ciao tutti. See you on the other side. Here's 1 2/3 cups of Italian 00 flour. Make sure you sift it. That way it takes all the lumps out and you have great consistency as well. Then we're also going to follow by 1 2/3 cups of semolina flour. So we're mixing 2 flours together. This is one of the secrets to my pasta dough. And just mix that in as well. So now we need to add 4 eggs. Once you add the 4 eggs in, next step is to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Two pinches. Nice pinch. Us Italians love the pinch. Okay, now we're going to knead the actual pizza dough. Add some flour onto your kitchen vents. That way it's easier. And then put it all in together. So make sure that you have your cup of water with you, because you need your water as you are putting some olive grease into it. And just knead it. Use your fingers, use your palms, don't be scared, give it a massage, and just work with it. Pick it up and slam it down. Okay, so once we're finished kneading the pasta dough, we've also put some olive oil at the end to lightly massage with the olive oil. So roll it in some plastic, then we knead it to rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and it's time to roll out the dough and roll out the dough into fettuccine, but before then we need to sprinkle some flour onto the bench so we can make it smooth and it makes it easier to roll out the dough. Okay, make sure it feels good, there's no blotches. Throw some flour on top. And this is where we just need to give it just another light massage. just work with the dough. Cut it in half. Easier to work that way. And just put it to one side. Actually, it's very good consistency. You can just see the texture. See, you can see it's working perfectly. Look at that. Cut either side so we can feed this through the pasta machine. Okay, so now we're ready to roll out the pasta dough, and then we cut it into our fettuccine and then we hang it to one side. So just watch me to thin it out so all the air comes out. Bellissimo! Okay, so now I'm going to pop it to 4. Just change the thickness of it, and you need to do this gradually. As you say in Italian, piano piano, piano piano ragazzi. Okay, and then grab it on the other side. Look at that, that looks fantastic. And done. Now we're going to bring it to 5. Put it out. In 5. There we go, done. Now it's time to turn it into fettuccine. So I'm gonna let it rest to one side. Interlock goes into this one. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. Yeah. You can see coming through there. And there you have it. Don't be scared to grab it. Okay, and then bring it back like so, and every little bit's count, and then we just put it onto the hanger and put it. So that's all you need to do. You can see here so far how it's all hanging. Okay, so let's keep on doing this until all the pasta's done. Well, there you have it, everybody. We have finished making our homemade pasta Italian dough. The reason why I say Italian dough, because in the actual dough we've got the Italian 00 flour and the semolina as well. So we've made this into fettuccine, a lot more robust. And now when you cook this, 5 minutes. Maximum, maybe 6 minutes maximum, in and out of boiling water, and you can eat it. What we are going to do, because we made extra pasta, we're going to freeze it along with the tomato sauce, and we can bring it any time. It's so much healthier in making your own pasta, or making your own food, because you can see what goes in it. That way you're not relying on what other people, how they're making their pasta or making any food, so you know what you are putting inside your stomach. So there you go, pasta completed. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Please like or subscribe this video. down below. I'll put other recipes for you as well. I really appreciate you watching my channel, and I hope you got lots of value as well. I always respond to the comments. You got any questions and you feel the help, reach out, I'm here. And I hope you make lots of pasta. Once again, I'm Silvestro, the Weight Loss King, helping people lose weight for the very last time. I lost 80 kilos myself, and I eat pasta. So eat pasta. Don't be scared of food. Don't be scared of trying different foods. Don't do any crazy diets or fathoms or fasting or anything ridiculous. Enjoy food. It's emotional. It's part of us DNA. But it's in everybody's DNA. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Italiano, it's time to be authentic and eat like Italian and be happy. So,